welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, how you doing? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to style knotless braids. The ones with the curly ends, are they called goddess braids or mermaid braids? I don't know what they're called, but my braids have curly ends. So if you're interested and would like to know different ways you can style your knotless braids, if you just got knotless braids, just stay tuned and keep on watching. And at the end of this video I'm going to give you guys details about the hair, what hair I used, and how many packs of hair I used for this. We're going to go straight into the video.
When I couldn't see the surface and you pulled me, yeah, you pulled me to the shore. You held me in your arms when I was broken, when this world's still making sense to me. I can't sleep, not in this bed if you aren't in and out. No, I can't breathe, it's killing me. No, you won't be around. Everything, you meant everything, and I won't lose you now. 'Cause I just can't imagine what it'd be like trying to laugh when you were the one who gave me the chance to try to get by, knowing inside I still miss you. To say I'm alright, but every night I still need you. I want you back to me. I want you back to me. Okay, I know I messed up. 너 같이 있을 때 잘할걸. Can we not tonight? 내 맘을 알아줘. 'Cause we fight and you say you hate me, that you don't believe when I'm sorry. 난 같이 너와 나 since the end. 'Cause I can't sleep, not in this bed. 너 없이 허전해, 난 못 참아. It's killing me, 너무 보기 싶어서. Everything, you meant everything to me. 'Cause I just can't imagine what it'd be like trying to laugh when you were the one who gave me the chance to try to get by, knowing inside I still miss you. To say I'm alright, but every night I stare at the wall, losing my mind, and try to pretend I don't want you back to me. So perfect, I'll hit the ground if you keep on looking at me like that. And you don't know what you do to me, and I would probably go and end it all if you found out. No words can explain what I'm feeling. As easy as breathing, and right when I do, you just go on and steal it. Am I out of my mind? You got me so high. Being with you feels like blue skies. 너 없이 하루하루 지루해. 널 보면 생각 잘 안 돼. 아름다워서 You got me so. 너랑 있을 때 시간이 너무 빨리 가. 이젠 딴 여자 볼 때 알아 focus 보이지 않아. 오직 너뿐이야. Okay. 내 시선은 절대 안 돌려 전부 순간부터 It was clear skies from day one Got me so high Boom done spaceship we in that UFO sight I'm falling fast for you no parachute 이제 떠나버릴 lonely life Cause I finally found something true No words can explain what I'm feeling Being with you feels as easy as breathing do you just go on and steal it? Am I out of my mind? You got me so high Being with you feels like blue skies 너 없이 하루하루 지루해 아름다웠어 You got me so high Being with you feels like blue sky 너 없이 하루하루 지루해 널 보면 생각 잘안돼 아름다웠어 You got me so So high, 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 so high 아름다워, 아름다워 Yeah, you got me so 왼쪽 팔에 잠이 든 널 깨우고 싶지 않아서 또 한참을 굳어있어 방구석처럼 내 곁에서 쉬게 해주고 싶은 이 마음 알까 조금은 서운해지곤 해 좀 더 얘기하고 싶었는데 이렇게 나란히 누워서 잠든 네 얼굴 보면서 지켜줄 수 있어 행복해 평생 800개가 돼줄게 그렇게 넌 내게 오면 돼 지친 하루의 끝 그곳에 내가 있어줄게 내 곁에 평생 800개가 돼줄게 또 어느새 뒤척이다 안겨오는 네 얼굴이 맞닿을 듯 더 가까워져 오는 걸 심장이 두근대 쏟아내 잠시 온 세상이 멈춘 듯해 이렇게 나란히 누워서 잠든 네 얼굴 보면서 지켜 발베개가 돼줄게. 그렇게 넌 내게 오면 돼. 지친 하루의 그곳에 내가 있어줄게. 내 곁에 평생 발베개가 돼줄게. 난 취한 것 같아. 자꾸만 웃음이 나. 어린아이 장난 같아.
다정한 밤 공기가 적당한 벌. 바랬던 나를 돼. 다른 음악이 돼. 달콤해. 그대와 나로 한 잔에 피냐콜라다보다 달달한 그 말 사랑해. 이 세상 누구보다 더 마음의 이끌림을 따라 내게 다가가 입 맞출래. 두근거리는 둘만의 밤.
둘만의 밤.
파도처럼
그댄
밀려오는데 달콤해. 그대와 나로 한 잔에
스파클링 와인보다 향긋한 그 말 사랑해.
이 세상 누구보다 더 마음의 이끌림을 따라 내게 다가가
입 맞출래. 다음 생에 태어나도 내 선택은 그대예요. 가까이에서 바라보다 다른 사람 다 다가와도 답은 늘 하나예요. 영원히 함께
너와
달콤해.
그대와 나로
한 잔에 피치 마티니보다 상큼한 그 말 사랑해. 이 세상 누구
Hi everyone, so I've come to the end of this video. I feel like all of these styles are all beautiful, they're all gorgeous, they're all nice. They are styles I would wear out, definitely styles I would wear out. My favorite, I think my favorite was the top bun with the waves around the hair. I really love that. I don't know why, it just made me look like I promised from the start of this video. I told you guys I was going to share the hair I used. The hair I used is this Lush Hair Extra Light Soft and Shiny in color 1. I used just 1 pack, so that's it for the hair extensions I used. And if you would like to know more details about my hair, how I prep my hair, the video will probably be up soon, or it should be up by now, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You can also check out my other braid style videos and let me know what you think about them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.